Being told that you have a life-altering disease is difficult news to receive. This is made far worse if you discover that your doctor should have diagnosed the symptoms a lot sooner, when your care could have been far less costly and intrusive. Unfortunately, medical professionals do not notice vital symptoms of illness on a frequent basis, but conceal these errors by falsely stating that the diagnosis is valid. If you have suffered as a result of a medical professional failing to discover your illness, our attorneys are here to ensure they are held responsible. Missing a diagnosis is a severe and not unusual mistake, and our attorneys will ensure your doctor is held to account. For over 15 years, Tommy Hastings, of Hastings Law Firm, has helped many clients who have suffered due to negligence bring an action against the responsible parties. Together, with his dedicated team, he has secured millions of dollars on behalf of his clients. This impressive record of success proves his compassion for all those he represents. This is further evidenced by his reputation as one of the best medical negligence attorneys in Texas. You will discover that our office is a warm and welcoming place. Our entire team develops a connection with you and the distress your family has suffered. We find that by thinking this way, we are wholly invested in fighting hard to ensure you obtain the successful outcome you deserve. Our team will work to discover how and why the bad diagnosis happened. Medical practitioners are trained to make a diagnosis by ordering tests, reviewing symptoms, and researching to understand what is wrong with you. However, if your doctor fails in their duty of care to make the correct diagnosis, your life may be in jeopardy. Most frequently, the error is a result of miscommunication between medical professionals, including those in charge of testing you. For example, your GP may not be aware of a discovery made by your radiologist, or a lab test may show results that are not noticed by the lab worker. Some other frequent errors are: failure to order any tests, failure to act on a patient's complaints, failure to screen regularly for certain conditions, especially in high-risk patients, failure to recognize symptoms, misdiagnosis, treating the wrong disease, and delaying referral to a specialist. Our skilled attorneys are experts in the area of medical malpractice, and are able to discover mistakes and ensure that the responsible party is held to account for their error. Our firm has managed to knock down many of the defenses thrown up by the medical community to try and avoid liability. We aim to stop others suffering as you have, by holding the responsible parties accountable, and securing the highest possible compensation on your behalf. Our experienced lawyers will seek justice for the negligent diagnosis of your illness. The Hastings Law Firm attorneys are dedicated to representing victims of medical negligence throughout Texas. If you believe that you, or a family member has suffered injuries or loss of life due to a lack of duty of care by your medical professional, we strongly recommend that you contact our experienced attorneys immediately. We will provide you with a free initial appointment to discuss your legal rights and your potential lawsuit.